to my death. I learned a lot about...
And if we were to have a major accident, chances are, and people were in the water, you wouldn't need the life jackets. Yeah. Trail going up through there, Rootburn Track, one of the more popular overnight hiking tracks in the country.
Is this like fresh water?
Yep, yeah, definitely. Yeah,
You taste it?
Take the water straight from the river, yeah, absolutely beautiful. Get your cameras out again if you want some more.
Say Jeunesse! Woo, 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 woo! Ow, ow, ow! One, two, three. We love Jeunesse!
But down here, because of our very, if you look at the soil here, you see how much stones and sand it is. It really doesn't grow much, and that light sand just gets washed downriver quickly, and just leaving the stones. This is a great swimming hole in the summertime.
Oh yeah.
It's a really good for swimming. As we don't have snakes.
Oh nice. No
We
snake.
don't have crocodiles.
Yeah. Oh nice.
And we didn't have any poisonous spiders until they came across in the luggage of Australian tourists. And now we've got quite a few whitetails and redbacks, but we don't have any fun with that. No snakes, because we
That's okay.
well, you'd be glad it's only your fingers and not
Tight, you hold it.
and not your head, because if you do swing around and it does hurt the old noggin if you bump it on the back. The pipe over here is for water. We take fresh water from further up the river. There's a big waterfall, and we take water from the top of the waterfall, and it goes vertically down. So we don't need any pumps to make the water then go all the way across the valley.
Yep. Wow.
Queenstown doesn't use this water, it's just this Arrowtown area uses the water from the pipe.
So purely by natural for the gravity.
Natural force we have.
Yeah.
Yep.
There's no need pump. Oh.
And because it's running over gravel,
Yep.
we had to have a four-wheel drive.
Yes.
So we use these to go off-road as a four-wheel drive, not as large shopping trolleys. Have you got one?
We got the SUV,
Yeah.
not the.
Yeah, a shopping trolley.
Yeah.
Carries lots of shopping. And anything heavy will naturally fall to the bottom. And you can let all the rocks swim out. Don't get your fingers in there. Okay, right. You don't know yet because you've got a lot of black sand, which is still lighter than the gold. If there's any gold, it's underneath this black sand. So what you need is a bit of water, and then you roll the pan around, and then the gold, if there is any, will appear on the very, very bottom. So I'll just have a look. And now, you see the dust there, there and there. So I've got 3 bits of gold dust.
Gold dust.
Yeah. Big rock. Of all this silt and sand causes a lot of heat, and this rock is this sand is reformed into sedimentary rock.
All those ones who are going to be dancing with me, we're on the 10:30 bus. Oh, yeah! Who's that? Yay! All the party poopers will leave at 9:40.
the helper for photos.
Yeah.